In this video, How to Use Jasperactive Digital Literacy, we will walk you through the highlights that Jasperactive Digital Literacy lessons offer. After logging in, you will select your desired course you'd like to start with. In this example, we've chosen Key Applications. After selecting the course, you will see all of the lessons listed. When you are ready, you will start with your Level 1 benchmark assessment. The benchmark will take you through a series of questions to assess your understanding of key applications in using a computer. There are various types of questions, such as multiple choice with both images and videos, selection questions, and drag and drop. The assessment is timed. You will have 50 minutes to complete all of the questions. Once you have either completed all of the questions or the time has run out, you will be brought to the question review section. You will have the option to go back to any questions that you were unsure of or left unanswered if there were any. When you're satisfied with your answers you've submitted, you will click Submit to see your results. The results page will show you how you did on the assessment. Any questions that were marked incorrect will provide feedback below the questions and indicate the topics you should review. Once you have finished looking at your results and feedback, you will press Done. You will be brought to a screen telling you that your assessment has been completed. You will then click on My Lesson Plan. You will then have access to all of your Level 1 lessons and can start wherever you would like. You will be brought to a case study scenario followed by a series of questions with levels of assist. If you get the questions correct, the response will be green and you can move on to the next question. If you get the answer wrong on the first try, the response will be in yellow and you will receive a hint directing you to the right answer. You can also access a quick deck from here to show you the definition of the vocabulary you are working with. When you are ready, click Try Again. If, on your second try, you still get the answer wrong, the response will be in red and it will show you the correct answer. If the question is applicable, you will also be given the option to watch a correct quick clip. You can then move on to the next question. You can leave the lesson and come back to it at any time. When you are done, you can go back to the dashboard and access your library, giving you access to the ebooks and quick decks for all of the lessons to help you better understand the topics. At any point, you can go on to another course or work on the benchmark assessments and lessons in both computing fundamentals and living online. Happy learning!